Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? We're here at Tesla Orlando. My car is just behind that white one right there. We've been having some trouble with the car. It's been really frustrating. Autopilot, the USBs, the cameras, all kinds of stuff. Sentry mode not recording properly, and just a whole plethora of things. So what we're doing, we got the car inside here. They're going to be taking a look at it. They have an order to replace the repeaters and install hardware 3 in there. So the retrofit for that is here. And I'll go into a little bit more detail about how we actually got that there. But the car's in there right now, and what I'm going to tell you guys is that I'm super excited about it. Even though we don't have full self-driving, I'm hopefully going to not have those glitches and errors anymore with all the stuff that we're having. So real quick update, you can see all the cars in here. They have lots of them. Their showroom is full, and they were quoting someone out there. So if you are a stockholder of this company, I think you're still doing really good. Hopefully they'll do pretty good. But there is a lot of cars in this lane. They're always in here, so I don't know if they're deliveries and or service, but yeah, you can see them. Anyway, we're gonna head out. We got hardware 3 getting installed. We've got my wife picking me up, and I think that's about it. I'm super excited about it for nothing other than to have a stable car, you know, that's working right. So hopefully they're gonna solve it. If not, we'll be able to figure out if it's more wiring or hardware issues. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll keep you posted, and we'll see you again soon.